Right, so I think we've got it working. I say it's put back together as much as I can do at the moment. There aren't any screws to hold the motor casing assembly together. Also, as well, the one of the friction rollers for the feed is missing, so I can only assume that's at your house. The control board is loose at the moment. It is hot underneath. There's 240 volts switched for the main transformer. The bridge rectifier had a short circuit between one of the AC inputs and the plus rail. I didn't have a spare one, so I just put some discrete diodes in. I put 4 in, 2 underneath and 2 on the top. They're rated at 1 amp at 200 volts, so that's more than enough. So anyway, without further ado, let's test it. This is the trigger down here, so we'll put the trigger on. You can hear the motor. So there we go. Now the motor's at full speed at the moment, and if I can get that to stay on, okay, and then what we'll do is we'll vary the speed. And then, so that's slower speed, gradually increasing up to maximum. And hopefully, as long as I put the polarity of the motor back correctly, then in theory that should feed forwards, feed out of the end, assuming that's the, assuming now, is that the way towards the, thinking about this now, or does it go to the right? Not sure. Oh well, it's only a quick job to reverse the polarity of the motor, so I'll leave that with yourself. 50-50, I've got it the wrong way around, but it doesn't really matter. All you need to do is just swap the polarity of the wires on the back of the motor again. It seems to be all okay. Maximum speed. And that's that.